Hey everybody, check out this cool machine in the ShopRite in the Poconos. It's like a vending machine with baseball cards and other types of cards. So we've got a 2020 Topps opening day. We've got 2004 Topps, 2020 Donruss, 92 Upper Deck, 2019 Series 1. There's 2013 update Trout, 2017 Series 1, Big League Baseball. They got all sorts of other stuff in here. Let's see if there's any other noteworthy cards. Here is Topps, I can't remember what year that is. Pinnacle 92. So I'm gonna get this Trout. It says it costs $250. Hold on, bub. Almost done. Let's see if I can do this. It's.
Wait, are you gonna find the last one?
No, we're gonna get change out, my friend.
What?
So you got to do C8. Let's see if it gives it to me. Okay. It's an encased, that's gotta be worth $250, I would guess. And then behind it was this Topps of the class Tanaka. So I think we got a good deal, but one of the better vending machines I've seen in a while. Hope everybody's doing well.